Welcome back, everybody. This is Brian Dewhurst with Uncommon Wealth Partners mid-July market update and Bitcoin briefing. Wanted to jump in here. Lots happened, and I got a good update for you today. So S&P up 4.77, NASDAQ up 3.36, Dow Jones just 1.21, gold down 5, Bitcoin down 55.81. Let's get into it. I've got three charts on the S&P 500. The first one is daily. So this is a much more zoomed in version. And you kind of see the market or the stock market peaked here in about late January 2018. And we've been trading range bound in this range, trying to come out of it. And so on a little bit of an uptrend here, you see our 6 green dots and the teal candles are starting to come up. So it's showing positive action on the daily. Which is healthy. But I wanted to kind of zoom in on the instability that we've had as the markets kind of traded sideways and up. Now looking at the weekly view of the same index, you see up here weekly, you see less red candles. You see more of that consolidation. Down here, though, we have our 6 green dots and our squeeze indicator is firing for 4 weeks in a row with bullish sentiment. And so the weekly, as we zoom out, looks bullish as we head into the back half of the year. So I think we should be open to higher prices. And then lastly, our monthly view of the S&P 500, which we show quite often, all blue candles and price are above the moving averages, which is bullish. Have a new indicator on here, which kind of just shows the general trend of the price action, and then 6 green dots, and then we're still in positive blue candle range. So I think we need to be open to higher prices here in the back half of the year. There's a lot going on politically, as always, but the market prices that stuff in, and so we'll just have to see as things go. But again, I think we should continue to be open to higher prices as we move forward into the back half of the year. And looking at another chart, monthly zoomed out S&P 500, we still have price sitting on top. Our moving averages are fanned out the way we like them. So yeah, everything looks good there. Further S&P 500 on the chart we normally use, still green candles. I want to throw in a new chart of the NASDAQ triple Q. It is in an uptrend. You kind of saw on the first slide, the NASDAQ's up double digits year to date. And we are advocates of technology being long with the adoption of artificial intelligence, driverless cars, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. Basically, they're trying to put a chip into everything. So we like tech. The chart looks phenomenal. Should be open to higher prices in technology moving forward. 6 green dots, teal candles. So NASDAQ looks healthy. Just a quick shot on gold, down, red candles, trends kind of flattening out, only down to 2 green dots, and we're squeezing, which could be negative. So the dollar has had a lot of strength lately, and we're seeing that as it relates to gold. Finally, Bitcoin. We got price kind of pushing into the 8-day moving average, what we need to see for that to cut up through, and then through the 21-day if we're going to establish a new trend. So nothing really changed there. Continuing just to bottom out here, you see kind of these 3 hits around 6,000 as Bitcoin's trying to find support. So again, I like to show the news articles. What are the major companies doing as it relates to blockchain and cryptocurrency? 59% of blockchain patents are owned by developers of Bank of America and IBM, and they dominate financial and tech players. And then this is a separate headline down here. I kind of just put them on one slide. The U.S. Patent Office honors 6 more IBM blockchain technology patents in just 1 week. IBM continues to invest heavily into blockchain. And so when you look at 2 of the largest companies in the world, Bank of America and IBM, they are at a furious pace trying to gobble up these blockchain assets in terms of technology patents. So yeah, lots going on, a lot further investment. It's been a slow summer for blockchain and cryptocurrency, but a lot of corporate investment. So that's our update for today. Hope this was informational, and tune back in towards the end of July and we'll have another update. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye. The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situations, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational purposes and is not to be construed as a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell a security or any other related financial instruments. Nor should any of the content be taken as investment advice. Any of the opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice, and Uncommon Wealth Partners LLC is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Uncommon Wealth Partners LLC and its respected officers and associates or clients may have an interest in the securities or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Uncommon Wealth Partners does not accept any liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. We recommend that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment decision.